my dear students, how are you? I hope all are you good. Welcome back to another class. Today, let me start GK Unit 2, Wonders of the World, Chapter number 12, Seven Wonders of the Ancient. The seven wonders of the ancient world were first designated by Antipater of Sidon in the 2nd century CE. Read the clues and get each the correct name. You can take help from the clue box. Number 1. These are a group of three pyramids, Khufu, Khafra, and Mankora, located at Giza, 96 kilometers from Cairo. So they are often called the first wonder of the world. Of all the ancient seven wonders, the pyramids alone survive. So it is the Great Pyramid of Giza. Number 2. This was built by the widowed queen at Temisia about 350 BC. The memorial originated the term mausoleum. The mausoleum the mausoleum at Halicarnassus. Number 3. Adjoining Nebuchadnezzar places 96 kilometers south of Baghdad, the Hanging Gardens were built in the 6th century BCE. These terraced gardens rose between 23 to 91 meters above ground level. Water from storage tank on the highest terrace. The Hanging Garden of Babylon. So, dear students, next page is there. Number 4. An Ionic temple erected about 350 BCE in honor of a non Hellenic goddess who later identified with a Greek goddess of the same name. The temple was destroyed by invading Goths in 262 CE. The temple of Artemis at Ephesus and Artemis and Ephesus. Number 5. A bronze statue of Apollo set up about 280 BCE. According to legend, it stood at the harbor entrance of seaport of Rhodes. It was destroyed during an earthquake in 224 BCE. The Colossus of Rhodes. Number 6. Located at Olympia in the plain of Elis, this was a statue constructed of marble inlaid with ivory and gold by the sculptor Phidias around 430 BCE. All trace of it is lost except for reproductions on ancient coins. So, number 6. This is the statue of Zeus at Olympia. The statue of Zeus at Olympia. Number 7. A marble watchtower and lighthouse on the island of Pharos in the harbor of Alexandria. It was destroyed by an earthquake in the 13th century. The lighthouse of Alexandria. Okay, so dear students, this chapter is in here. Now, baby, let's begin the next chapter. Chapter number 30. Seven Wonders of the Modern World. Read the clues and give each the correct name. You can take help from the clue box. It's a large pre-Columbian archaeological site built by the Maya civilization, located in the northern center of the Yucatan Peninsula in the state of Yucatan, present-day Mexico. Chichen Itza. Number 2. It is a statue of Jesus Christ in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. The statue is 39.6 meters tall and 30 meters wide. It is made of reinforced concrete and soapstone. ये है क्रिस्ट द रिडीमर. Originally, the Flavian amphitheater was an elliptical amphitheater in the center of the city of Rome, Italy. Built in the Roman Empire, it was used for gladi- gladiatorial contests and public spectacles. Colosseum. Number 4. It is located 2,430 meters above sea level on a mountain ridge above the Urubamba Valley in Peru. It was built as an state for the Inca Emperor and Pachacuti in the classical Inca style with polished dry stone walls. Machu Picchu. The massive oak stretches over 21,000 kilometers and winds through mountains, deserts, and plains. Built over centuries by various Chinese dynasties, it is the longest continuous wall in the world, the Great Wall of China. Number 6. It is a city in the Jordanian Governorate of Man, known for its rough-cut architecture and water conduit system. It was established sometime around the 6th century BCE. ये है Petra. Number 7. It is located in Agra, India. It was built by Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan in the memory of his wife Mumtaz Mahal. The Taj Mahal. So, dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Chapter number 14. Superlatives of world. Look at the pictures of the word superlatives. Write their names using the clue box. Number 1. The highest mountain peak. Mount Everest, Nepal. The highest waterfall. Angel Fall, Venezuela. Number 3. The largest desert. Sahara Desert. Mhm. Sahara Africa. The longest river, नील नील नदी है इजिप्ट. The tallest building, Burj Khalifa, Dubai. So, dear students, this chapter is in here. Now we will let's begin the next chapter. Chapter number 15, Sobriquet. A sobriquet is a public and formal name that illustrates the distinctiveness of a person, place, or thing. Take the help of the clue box to write the real name of the following. First one is the hub of the universe. Boston. City of skyscrapers. New York. The Diamond City, Kimberley. The Eternal City, number 4, Rome. Number 5, City of Palaces, Kolkata. 6, Sugar Bowl of the World, Brazil. The Land of a Thousand Lakes, Finland. The Magic City, number 8, Miami. Number 9, Gift of the Nile, Egypt. Land of the Rising Sun, Japan. Okay, so dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Chapter number 60. Continents and oceans. The earth is divided into 7 large land masses called continents and 5 water bodies called oceans. The 7 continents are Africa, Asia, Antarctica, North America, South America, Europe, and Australia. So the 5 oceans are Atlantic Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Southern Ocean. So name the continents and the oceans according to their location shown in the map. 1. Continents. Africa. Number 2. Antarctica. Three, Asia. Number 4, Australia. Number 5 is Europe. Next, number 6 is North America. South America. Oceans. Pacific Ocean. Number 9 is Arctic Ocean. Atlantic Ocean. Number 11 is Indian Ocean. and 12 is Southern Ocean. Okay. Now number 2 is match the following. Number 1, the dark continent Africa. The largest continent Asia. The smallest and shallowest continent oceans. The smallest and shallowest ocean. Number 3, Arctic Ocean. The smallest continent Australia. The largest and deepest ocean Pacific Ocean, and the white continent is Antarctica because uh, ice layer in there no? In Antarctica. So, dear students, the whole chapter of this unit are completed here. I hope you all are very well understand all chapters. So, we will meet you the next class. Thank you, everyone.